my dear children. Welcome to Jack and Jill E-School. It's me, Ansy Roshan, your teacher. Today, what we are going to study, dears? Rhymes. Are you all ready, dears? Yes? Okay, clap your hands, clap your hands. Wow, you're smart kids. Now, we all can join together and sing, okay? What is that? Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yay! Hope you all enjoyed this video, right? Yes? Yes. Now we all can see in our next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.